this is what it looks like after an earthquake. I came home to this about 10 minutes ago. Here is practically every piece of glassware I own in the sink. Luckily, only one is broken so far. Luckily, the bottles of liquid are intact so far. Luckily, the refrigerator is not exploded. Luckily, the stove did not explode. And the sink in the bathroom is full of things. Now here's the real treat. That is a TV I am incapable of lifting on my own. My computer is in there somewhere. This was on top of this. Yeah, all that was in there. That came open. That came open. Everything there came down. This room you barely notice any change, except this mug was in the kitchen.